Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 14 statistics intro for exercise 14.4. Already the first part of introduction for 14.4 I have explained to you about the less than type or ogive. This curve, how to make it and how to find the median of it. So in this video we are going to see the second part of it, that is more than type or ogive. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in the this video. So let's proceed. Before that, let me just remind you, I told you less than type means this is a question given to us, the marks of the students, number of students. So what we have to do is we have to just prepare this two column. So where we have to prepare the marks less than. So less than means we have to take the upper limit, because you can say less than 10 those who got, less than 20 marks who got, that only we have to write down. Then after that we found out the CF. CF means from frequency we have to just add first 7, then with 7 add 10, then with 10 you add 23, then add 23, 51, like that we prepare this CF. And afterwards this is our x coordinate, this becomes our y coordinate, and we plotted the graph. Now more than type we are going to see. Now more than type or ogive curve, same way only. So we will take first this question, I'll copy down. The question remains the same, only here we will write marks more than, and then CF we have to find out. So let's proceed. I have copied down more than type curve. For that, the same question only I have copied down the marks and the number of students. So this becomes our frequency. Okay, so this is number of students. There are 7 students are there whose marks are between 0 to 10. There are 10 students whose marks are 10 to 20. There are 23 students whose marks are 20 to 30. This is the data given to us. So what we have to find out it, we have to find out more than type. So here we will write more than marks. Okay, or you can write marks more than, and this will be our x. Okay, so marks more than. Now look at here, marks more than means, can you say more than 10, then it becomes in this column. So not more than, within this more than will be what? More than 0. Now within this, from between 10 to 20, more than will be more than 10 only you can say. You cannot say more than 20, then it comes here. So we have to take all the lower limit. In less than we have taken all the upper limit, here we have to take all the lower limit, because more than, when we say, we can say more than 0. So those who got marks more than 10, those who got marks here more than 20, those who got marks here more than 30. So this only you can say, you can't say this more than. Okay, so this column we will copy down, that is lower limit we have to copy down here. Just copy down the lower limit here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. You remember these words, okay? If you are getting confused, when it is said more than means, you can say here more than means more than 0. So if it is marks less than, then within this less than means it can be less than 10. It cannot say less than 0. So then you have to copy down upper limit when it comes less. But when it comes marks more than, then it becomes more than 0. So that's what we have to copy down. So now what we have to do is prepare the CF. For less than CF, what did we do? We were going on adding. But here it is not like that, it's just reverse. So what we have to do, the last summation value what you got, that you have to write down first. Then go on subtract. So just the opposite you have to do. So now with 100 you have to subtract now 7. Okay, with 100 subtract 7. So what you will get? 93. Then with from 93 you have to subtract 10. Next number is 10, right? First we subtracted 7, no? So 93, then with 93 the next number is 10. So then we will get 83. Now from 83 you have to subtract 23. So then we get 83. Oh, we got 93, 83, 60. Then from 60 we have to subtract 51. So then we will get 9. Then from 9 you have to subtract 6. Then we will get 3. Okay, finally we got the same thing. So now from 3, when you are subtracting 3, it will be 0 only. So we stop it here. This part you have to take care. So the summation of the F5, first you will write down. From there you will subtract 1 by 1. Then from here you will subtract next number. From here you will subtract this. So from here you will so like that you have to go on subtract. Okay, so this part you have to take care. So once you finished, now this becomes our x and this becomes our y. This first 100, then 93, 83, 60, 3. So this becomes our y coordinate, this becomes our x coordinate. So now let's plot the graph now. So now plot the graph. So what we have to plot? 0, 100. So 0, 100. Next will be 10, 93. Then 20, 83. Then 30, 60. Then 40, 9. And 50, 3. So these are the point we have to now plot in the graph paper. So now you see here, this is our x coordinate. So this will be our x coordinate, this will be y coordinate. So always this will be x and this on y coordinate. So cumulative frequency comes on y coordinate. So let's plot the graph. So the readings or the point you see all are in positive. So we need only the first quadrant. So I will draw only the first quadrant. So let us take this is our y-axis. So this is x-axis, this is x dash, here y dash, this is y-axis. So mostly all positive only. So on x-axis we can take, if you see x-axis, all 10, 20, 30, 40, up to highest is 50. And if you see CF here up to 100 we have, highest is 100. So let's take same way. So this is our origin. So this is 10, 20. This is a marks more than, or you can say, yeah, marks more than you can say, or you can say lower limit, because we have written the lower limit, right? So you can say on x-axis lower limit, or you can say marks more than. And then let me plot this. So 30, 40, 50, 60, enough, because highest is 50. Now y-axis highest is 100. So let's plot 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now y-axis we are taking from where? CF. So you can write on y-axis it is cumulative frequency. So this is cumulative frequency on y-axis. On x-axis it is lower limit or marks more than. So now just plot it. So what are the points we have here? 0, 100. So on x-axis 0 is here, and on y-axis it is 100 is here. So 0, 100. Next 10, 93. On x 10 is here, and on y 93 is 90, 91, 92, 93. See 10, 93. So next 20, 83. On x 20 is here, and on y 83 is 80 is here, 81, 82, 83. 20, 83. Then 30, 60. On x 30 is here, and on y 60 is here. Then 40, 9. On x 40 is here, and on y 9 is here. 40, 9. Then next 50, 3. So on x 50 is here, and 3 is 0 here starts 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, because the first is, this is on x 50 is here, but y direction 0 is here. So 1, 2, 3. So 50, 3. So now just plot the graph. We began from there, so we start from there. So just a freehand, join the points. Okay. So now you see the curve starting from up, it has come up to down. So this curve is more than type. So I told you, less than means starts from down goes up, that is less than type. More than means from top it comes down, so that is more than type. You see the y, if you can't make out, just see the y axis or y coordinate. Y coordinate 100, then 93, then 83, 60, then 9, then 3. So it's coming down, right? So just the opposite. More than type means from top to down. Less than type means from down to top. That you have to remember, so don't make mistake. Now how to find the median? Median I told you, that is capital N upon 2. Capital N is summation of F5, that is 100 divided by 2. So we get 50. So on y axis you have to see where is 50. So 50 is here. So just draw the line, and it should touch the curve. So where it is touching the curve, from there you have to draw the line, and here approximate value only you will get it. Okay, because it is a freehand curve, freely we are drawing, so there can be some difference. Okay, so now from here to here, when you draw the line, so where it comes, touches, or it cuts on the x-axis, that is the point. So here 30, 31, 32. So 32 is the median. Here also we got the median is 32. So that's how you will find out the median. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. God bless.